All right, welcome back to another trade recap. And today I took no trades because it's FOMC. We had like 4 earnings today, and I just decided, you know what? I'm just going to stay out of the markets. So I'm just going to avoid trading a low probability day and just chill. Just, not worry. Low cortisol and all that. But I do want to go over a little market recap on what happened today. So this is, I guess, what I noticed. So let's get right into it. So market opened is right here, and there actually was a decent trade. And that is right here, as you can see. At 9:30. What am I trying to say? At 9:30, we have, as you can see, an SMT between NQ and ES, and at 9:30 on YM. Where's 9:30 at YM? We had that's 8:30. So we already previously had a previous day low SMT. So previous day low SMT with this SMT equals a double stage SMT. And I believe, no, we just missed this hourly, which if we were in this hourly, it would have been way better. And then off of that, let's go over here. The 5-minute change was here, so that really wasn't too viable. But if we go all the way back, the 1-minute change off of this was this right here. So that was the trade of the day, in my opinion. Either that, or you could have waited for a little pullback, then like an internal change or something. I don't know. Just done whatever. This would have been the most ideal entry. Stop below here. Take profit. Above these highs is a 1.76, which is good risk to reward. Up here, 2 minutes, just whatever. So that was definitely the trade of the day. But I decided, ever since I decided to remove the 1 minute for like a week, I've been a lot more patient with my trades. So I decided, why not just not trade? Because I don't have to. You don't have to trade. If you don't want to trade, you don't have to trade. We have 8:30 news tomorrow, which I like 8:30 news, and then Friday we have some yellow folder. So, yeah, let's just save my energy and capital for the better, higher probability days of the week. These stats are terrible, bro. Come on, lock in. But yeah, so far, yesterday would have been a winner. Unfortunately, it wasn't. Monday was a small loser. Today is a no trade day. And tomorrow is the last day of April. And April was, unfortunately, a disappointing month for me. That's just how it is. April was a disappointing month. But May, I'm looking to be a lot better. I'm like going to completely track stats. Like, beginning of April, let's go back. Here, this is when I started following my rules strictly, right? So I had like a week, pretty much 2 weeks where I didn't have like full stats. But beginning May, I'm going to follow my rules, 1 trade a day, maybe 2 max, and just strictly see how good of a month I can have without crashing out, without full porting, without doing any of that. Straight on eval, just going back to 0, low dopamine, low cortisol trading. Yeah, obviously I want to pass the eval in May. Maybe, payouts possible, but all I'm going to focus on in May is taking good trades, risking correctly, just following my rules. All I'm going to focus on is following my rules. I'm not going to focus on money. I'm not going to focus on anything like that. And just see where it gets me. So yeah, May, June, July, and I move out on the 21st. So I have a little under 4 months until I either make trading work or I get a job and continue to make trading work. So I have a job right now. I'm just pick up more hours and work more to pay rent. So that's what I meant to say. So yeah, I feel like overall April was a good month. Learned a good bit, and I'm ready for March. So yeah, that's today's recap. I'll be back tomorrow. FOMC, I guess it did do a little bit. No, that's 4 o'clock. That's not even FOMC. What happened here? Wait, that's actually kind of crazy. Just absolutely dumped. Power hour, but it's like right after it. Who knows? All right, well, I'll be back tomorrow for another